welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete iPhone backup from iCloud. To delete your iPhone backup from your iCloud, this is what you should do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's go to the settings on my iPhone. So this is the settings on this phone. The next thing I want you to do here, I want you to check the name at the upper top. That is Apple ID. I want you to tap on that name. So once you tap on the name, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, if you look a little bit downward, you're going to see where they wrote iCloud. So I want you to tap on that iCloud. So once you tap on the iCloud, it is going to bring you to your storage on your iCloud. So the next thing I want you to do here, I want you to look for the backup you want to delete. Do you want to delete the photos backup, or you want to delete the drive or your files backup, or you want to delete your password, or you want to delete your notes backup from the iCloud? Anything you want to delete from the iCloud, you have to first decide that. After deciding that, you now tap on it. Let's say we want to delete the photos backup from our iCloud. So just tap on photos over here. So once you tap on photos over here, I want you to, if you look closely, you're going to see where they wrote manage storage. So I want you to tap on that manage storage. So let's wait for that to load up. So once you tap on manage storage, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, this is where you get to delete the backup. If you check the down part here, the lower part, you are going to see where they wrote turn off and delete photos. Because we are here to delete this backup from our iCloud, so we just have to tap on this turn off and delete photos, and all our photos, all our backup that has to do with photos will be deleted from the iCloud on our iPhone. This is how you can actually delete your backup from your iCloud. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.